Namaste students. So now let's discuss about the trading procedure on a stock exchange. Trading procedure means the method of buying and selling of securities. Okay, so now I would suggest you all to take out your books so that we can discuss this topic in detail as it's going to be very important. It's mentioned that trading in securities is now being executed through an online screen-based electronic trading system. Simply put, all the buying and selling of securities are done through a computer terminal. They are giving us the example, like they are giving us the situation, the present situation. Now in these days, we are buying and selling the securities through computer terminals. It means that everything is done online and in electronic form. Now, अब अगर आज का सिचुएशन ये है, so now let's understand the situation or the scenario in the past. There was a time when securities were bought and sold on a floor of the stock exchange through an public auction system. एक टाइम ऐसा होता था when we used to buy and sell the securities on the stock exchange itself. It means we used to visit the stock exchange where all the buyers and the seller they come together. Deals were struck among the brokers and prices were shouted out and the shares were sold out at a higher price. You might have seen this thing in the movies also, no? Where all the buyers, they come and assemble at a place, securities are being traded, everybody, bidding is being done. सब लोग अपने अपने प्राइस बोलते थे कि वो किस प्राइस पर उस सिक्योरिटी को बाय करना चाहते हैं and the one who quoted the highest price will get the security. So this method we used to use in the past time. However, now almost all the stock exchanges have electronic system. Basically, basically what is happening that a stock exchange has a main server, has a computer server, and all the branches of those stock exchange will have computer terminals. Now the brokers means the members of the stock exchange. They have their office at different places. Now their computer terminal is directly connected to the server and the server is at the stock exchange, right? So the broker, what do they basically do? They keep on finding out the buyer constantly. Throughout the day, they look into the market. They try to find out the buyer so that their commodities, means their securities, can be sell off at the fair and the high price. It means now these days what is happening, a stock exchange has a computer system network, is that it has its main server, and the members of the stock exchange, they work as a broker also. Broker is basically a kind of a middleman who act as an intermediator between the buyer and the seller. It helps the buyer to find out a good seller and it helps the seller also to find out a buyer. Basically, he is the one who helps in cracking the deal. Okay, so they have their offices at different places. Their computer system, they are directly connected to the stock exchange or to the server. Basically, their computer system act as a client computers. So now read further. Thus, the trading has been shifted from stock exchange floor to the broker's office, because now we don't have to go to stock exchange. Directly we can buy and sell the securities from the broker. Now every broker must have an access to a computer terminal that is connected to the main stock exchange. As I have told you, in this screen-based trading, member logs on to the site and any information about the share he wishes to buy or sell, and the price is fed into the computer. Everything is already fed in the system. Computers in the broker office is constantly matching the orders at the best bid and the offer price. As I told you that the computers which is installed in the broker's office, that computers is all the time available to share the information about the seller with the buyer and about the buyer with the seller, and then they try to find out a person who wishes to buy the shares of any company at the fair and the best price. Now read further. The transaction will be executed means completed, when a matching order is found from a counterparty. Now those that are not matched remain on the screen and open for future matching during the business hours, that is 9:55 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday. It means that brokers, they basically operate on working hours only, working days basically, not weekends, that is Monday to Friday, and that too from 9:55 to 3:30 p.m. अब इस टाइम में क्या होता है, ब्रोकर्स और उनके जो कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं, ब्रोकर्स के जो, सपोज इफ आई वांट टू बाय द शेयर्स ऑफ एनी कंपनी, देन ऑब्वियसली आई लॉग इन टू एनी साइट, मैं किसी भी साइट पर लॉग इन करूंगी। जैसे हम लॉग इन करेंगे होगा क्या, बेसिकली हमें डिफरेंट कंपनीज और वो किस प्राइस पर अपने शेयर्स को बाय करने के लिए रेडी हैं, हमें वो सब चीज़ें डिस्प्ले होती हैं। नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, अगर ये सब हम कर सकते हैं, देन व्हाई डू वी नीड अ ब्रोकर। बेसिकली ब्रोकर क्या होते हैं, वी डोंट हैव दैट मच नॉलेज ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस, and brokers, they are members of stock exchanges only, so it's better to transact through them because they helps in cracking a best deal. So working hours और working days के टाइम पर बेसिकली वो क्या करते हैं, कॉन्स्टेंटली बायर्स और सेलर्स की नीड्स को मैच करते हैं। सपोज इफ आई वांट टू बाय शेयर्स एट ₹100 पर शेयर और कोई कंपनी उस प्राइस पर शेयर्स को सेल करने के लिए रेडी है, तो ब्रोकर हम दोनों का नेगोशिएशन करवाएगा एंड देन दे हेल्प इन ट्रैकिंग द deal. So I hope this method is clear to you, though we are going to discuss this thing in detail, but I just only wanted to give you a glimpse of that. So now basically whenever we buy or sell in stock exchange, then it ensures transparency also. Transparency of what kind, that the seller or the buyer, they can easily get information about themselves, right? और secondly जो buyers होते हैं, buyers को उस कंपनी के नहीं बल्कि वैसे ही शेयर्स को सेल करने वाली हर कंपनी के प्राइजेस डिस्प्ले होते हैं स्क्रीन पर, ब्रोकर के स्क्रीन पर। सपोज इफ आई वांट टू बाय द शेयर्स ऑफ एनी कंपनी, आई विल गो टू द ब्रोकर एंड द ब्रोकर विल ओपन द सिस्टम फॉर मी, एंड ऑन दैट सिस्टम एंड ऑन द स्क्रीन आई कैन सी प्राइजेस ऑफ ऑल द सिक्योरिटीज बीइंग ट्रेडेड। Then it ensures efficiency of information. Just read this point from the book itself again. It's mentioned that it increases the efficiency of information being passed on, thus help in fixing prices efficiently. Then the computer screen displays information on prices and also capital market development that influences share prices. Basically, efficiency of information means that it gives the complete knowledge to the buyer. बायर को पूरी नॉलेज मिलती है शेयर के प्राइजेस के बारे में, कि शेयर, और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ कि उस कंपनी की हिस्ट्री भी पता चलती है, उस कंपनी की कितना फ्लक्चुएट हुआ शेयर का प्राइस पिछले टाइम पीरियड में, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन हम बायर को देते हैं। सो बेसिकली बायर का जो डिसीजन होता है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बन जाता है, बिकॉज जो इन्फॉर्मेशन उसे दी जा रही है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन एफिशिएंट है और इफेक्टिव है। वो इन्फॉर्मेशन करंट टाइम के साथ साथ प्रीवियस टाइम की भी है, मीन्स कंपनी का पास्ट ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड भी सामने आ सकता है, और कंपनी के शेयर प्राइसेस को हम डिफरेंट कंपनी के शेयर प्राइसेस से भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज द प्राइसेस ऑफ ऑल द कंपनीज आर बीइंग displayed on the screen. Then the next point is it increases the efficiency of operations. Operations means buying and selling. उनकी efficiency कैसे increase हो सकती है? Their efficiency can be increased because whenever we trade on a stock exchange, it reduces cost, it reduces time, and it eliminates risk also. Because instead of going to stock exchange, now we can easily get everything done through broker. Then it will save our time and cost. Then the next is it improves liquidity of the stock market because a large number of participants can trade with each other. People from all over the country, they can come across, they can be in contact with each other, and then they can buy and sell the security. और जब एक चीज़ को खरीदने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग आ जाएंगे जो उसे खरीदने में इंटरेस्टेड भी हैं, तो वो चीज़ तो ऑब्वियसली जल्दी मार्केट में सेल हो जाती है, और जो चीज़ जितनी जल्दी कन्वर्ट होती है कैश में, आप उसे उस चीज़ को उतना ही ज़्यादा लिक्विड मानते हैं। So the same here also, that it improves the liquidity of the stock market, because in stock market we want to buy and sell the securities as soon as possible. Now people, instead of coming to stock exchange, now they can easily get the work done through brokers, so they will be more interested in investing in secondary market. So this way the securities which are being traded in secondary market can be easily converted into cash, because now instead of 3-4 people coming to stock exchange, now millions of people can come together and can deal. Then the last is it provides a single platform also. See, all the trading centers spread all over the country have been brought onto one trading platform, that is the stock exchange. It means now there is only one platform from where you can buy and sell the existing securities, and that platform is stock exchange. So whenever there is one platform only, then there is more confidence into the buyer. जब मुझे पता, जैसे आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में भी एक चीज पढ़ी है बहुत इजीली, that Reserve Bank is the only who can circulate and who can, create the money in the economy, then, or who can print the notes, then you have confidence in the currency being circulated by them. You have the confidence. Similarly, if I know that all the buying and selling will be done through secondary market only, and they are also following the rules and regulations of Securities Contract Act, then obviously I will have confidence in it. So whenever we have a common trading platform, there will be more confidence among the investors. So I hope in brief the things are clear to you. So now it's a time to discuss all the things in detail. Thank you.